Welcome back, guys. And in Facebook, if you are using Facebook, your friends and your family members can see you active by green dot in front of your profile picture. But if you do not want to show them that active status, then what you need to do, I am going to quickly cover in this video, so not wasting much of your time. If you like the video, please do consider to subscribe this channel. So what you need to do, just go to the Facebook, just tap on the profile, and then not on this, just go back here, 3 horizontal lines, then you will land up here. Just go to the setting and privacy, open it, then setting, and in setting just scroll down until you see active status. Here is the active status, just tap it here. Now, so when you are active, you won't see when your friends and connections are active or recently active on this profile if you make it off. So if you make it on, your friends and connection can see that you are active and were recently active on this profile. You can also see, but if you are turning it off, you can also not able to see that your friends or connections are active at that particular moment. So this is one drawback. Means if you will not show your status, active status, you will not able to see active status of your connections or family or friends. So this is what I wanted to tell you, but you can still use the Facebook services. If you like the video, please do consider to subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.